Select the required item types. You can also remove the item types which are not needed. Click on Get Results. Here, you'll get details of all the permissions attached to the selected item types. You also get details of the permissions attached on different lifecycle states. This is the permission which is attached to the first item type. Let's give update permission to world and apply the changes. As you can see, the change is reflected in the permission. Let's try removing update permission from world. As you can see, the permission is updated with just a single click. Now, there is no permission attached on the completed state of the lifecycle. Let us copy the permissions from one state of the lifecycle to another. As you can see, a new permission with same configuration is created and attached on the completed state of the lifecycle. In progress state of the lifecycle also does not have any permission attached to it. Now let's reuse the same permissions from the completed state to the in progress state. The state permissions are attached. You can also delete any identity from the permission directly from here. Select users. Let's open the manufacturing group identity. Add superuser and apply changes. As you can see, superuser is added to the manufacturing group identity with a single click. Removing superuser from the manufacturing group identity. The change is reflected. Select group identities. Let's open all customers group identity. No identity is present. Add superuser to all customers and apply changes. As you can see, superuser is added to all customers with just a single click. Removing superuser from all customers. The change is reflected.